One key element of relieving back pain is to find relaxation in muscles that are chronically tight. And in order to do that, I'm going to teach you how to place your pelvis in sitting. We tend to sit like this, and we're kind of sitting on top with our tail underneath us. And you can see the corresponding curve that happens in the spine. Our shortcut is, if you had a fig leaf on your pubic bone, you want to think of the fig leaf disappearing through your legs. We call that figging. It actually automatically creates the crease and automatically creates the relaxation, automatically allows the tail to come up. So we're going to fig, and the tail comes up, deep hamstring stretch. There should be no drop. You're actually placing your weight the whole time in control because the weight is balanced in your bones, and it should feel very light.